Not a bad session for the markets. Eventually, you had the markets start off on the negative footing. However, we came back, remember, after a day's break with the SGX Nifty adjusted price indicating some downside for us, and downtick it was surely. And then soon after, you saw the rebound actually kicking in for the market. So from there to recovering all of the losses, to turning flat, and then finally holding out about 100 points in the green, making it back all the way to that 14,400 mark after breaching 14,200 pretty recently. That said, there was a good recovery in the broader market as well. You had almost 94 stocks standing to the advances by the end of it all. So good recovery for the broader markets as well. The only thing is that you can't really draw out a sectoral trend today. There is not one sector on the legs or shoulders of which the market actually rebounded. If you really have to pinpoint a sectoral trend, it was only metals wherein you saw pretty much across the board move coming in. So everything from a Tata Steel to a SAIL to an NMDC, these were all stocks, JSW Steel, these were all names which were actually holding out. That said, there were other large cap winners as well. Kotak Bank, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, which spurted quite smartly, almost a 3.5% uptick coming in for that one. Bajaj Auto, BPCL, Adani Ports, SBI, Bajaj Finance. These were some of the other gainers from within the large cap universe. Indiabulls Housing, after inking a pact with HDFC for co-financing, spurted up almost 11% at the highs of the day, and then finally settled with a 6.5% gain. Naveen Fluorine as well went home with a 7% move. And remember, this is one stock which has had a few good days in the last 15 as well. SAIL, DLF, AU Small Finance, these were a couple of other winners, along with the likes of a Petronet LNG as well. On the flip side, the consolidation or the weakness or the underperformance today came in from the big buzzers of late. That's namely pharmaceuticals as well as IT. They are the sectors which took a bit of a backseat. So Pfizer fell 5%. Coforge saw some profits being taken off the table, was down about 4.25% today. And Escorts, Lupin, Shree Cement, Godrej Consumer Product, Piramal Enterprises, Sun TV as well as Titan were some of the big boys which actually cooled off in trade. In fact, to pinpoint, cement has been having a few weak days off late. So it was not just Shree Cement, but big boys like Ultratech Cement as well, which were a loser today. Cement has been on the decline ever since ACC's numbers came out. Tata Consumer, Asian Paints, Techem, Nestle, these were all your underperformers in trade, as was the case with TCS as well. Come tomorrow, and we're going to be counting down to HCL Technologies numbers as well. That's going to be the last of the IT majors to declare its numbers. So let's see what kind of numbers they come out with, because the market has been a little brutal and seeing some knee-jerk reactions for the big boys from within the IT universe. We saw that play out for TCS, Infosys in terms of disappointment, but a big surprise for Wipro. The market really rewarded the stock price and the shareholders as well. So let's see what's the fate for HCL Technologies.